This lovely client walked in today and is leaving with 2 beautiful units.
It's so pretty.
Was it easy to put on?
Oh, so easy. There it is. So easy.
Tell me how you like the hair, the construction.
I feel like the hair is like super dense and like the ends are really good. And I struggle finding a wig where the ends are just super like even and not split. And I really like the parting on it. And even the adjustable strap like is perfect fit. I love it.
Thank you. Thank you for shopping with Magic Hair Company. I'm just gonna swoop around and get the back here. And this is a 18-inch silky straight 360 lace unit. Swing the hair to the back for me.
I'll take that.
Thank you.